Hello, 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 and welcome to my kitchen. And today we're going to make a Filipino fruit salad. Now, why Filipino fruit salad? Why not just fruit salad? Because there's an ingredient in this which I actually learned when I was still a kid that my grandmother would put because the fruits have a bit of acidity in them. So towards the end of the day, or after you make it, the cream starts to sort of like bubble and separate from the fruit. But there's this magic thing that's in this salad, and it's mayonnaise. It's what prevents the cream from bubbling up and separating after a few hours of the salad being mixed together. So I tried it out when we had a party at home, and I said, it really works. This is something that you can serve for any festivity or for, a gathering in the house. Why only for those occasions? Because actually it's a lot. Now, I like to use Japanese mayonnaise because it's not so sour and it's actually very flavorful. There's also buko strips. You scrape it into strips so that you can put it in the salad. Now, when you ask it from the market, I recommend that you have to mention that it's for salad because sometimes they give you the non-existent meat and then condensed milk and whipping cream. And then the other fruits that go with it are the original fruit cocktail in a can. And then there's also the tropical fruit cocktail. And then there's nata de coco. And then there's kaong or sugar plum. And then there's lychee. And then there's an apple and a pear and pineapple. The apple and the pear gives an extra crunch to the salad. Now, we're going to cut up the apple and the pear and put it in the juice that comes from the fruit cocktail. Why? If you just leave it exposed to the air and wait until everything's done, it's going to turn brown. You stop it from turning brown, you put it in this the juice of the fruit cocktail. Okay, so you know what's so nice about this particular fruit salad, why I am teaching you, is because you can make it the day before and you don't freeze it. You put it in the refrigerator, and when it's time to serve it out for your celebration, you can serve it out together with the other food. It's not like before that you have to only put out the fruit salad when they're about to eat the fruit salad. This one was when you prepare your table, you can already serve it because it's not going to disintegrate, it's not going to melt. So that's why this is a very good fruit salad. So now we're going to cut up the lychee into 4 pieces. It helps to have a very sharp knife. So we're going to mix it now with the fruit cocktail. And now we're going to cut up the pear and the apple. So I like to just remove the top, bottom, and then I'm going to use the apple divider. It makes life easier. Yeah! Now here we have to be quick so it doesn't oxidize. This is to prevent it from turning brown. So you've already covered that, so we're now going to drain. just dump it. I think why they put the mayonnaise is so that it stabilizes, so that there is no disintegration. The condensed milk already acts like the sugar part, so it kills off some of the acidity of the fruit. I like to use the harder part of the fruit salad, which is the nata de coco and the kaong, as the base, because we're going to toss this. So while tossing, you don't want the fruit cocktail, which has been sort of like cooked a bit, it gets a little mushy. So this one is hard, so we're going to use this one first. And then it's always nice that when you buy nata de coco and kaong, that you pick two colors so that your fruit salad is more merrier than ever. The buko strips. So when you're mixing, be gentle. Look how Christmassy it looks. The test of anything is in the tasting. When you do it yourself, tell me how it tastes like. So in the meantime, just like, share, and subscribe. Toodle-doo.
Okay, I want you smiling all the way. 3, 2, 1, go.